Hey, God bless you, my friend and sister Sharon. And today I want to just welcome everybody to go and visit Handmade Soaps for Hope. We are giving away 3 bars for free with every purchase. As you all know, we're fundraising to take possession of a new building that we eventually want to purchase. Friends, we're going to give you 1 bar called Forgiven. Then we're going to give you our new Be Fearless and 1 bar of Amazing Grace. These are free when you make any purchase on the website so that we can keep fundraising to get that building. So friends, go get your soaps. This is our favorite soap, Amazing Grace. We're going to send you 3 bars for free with every purchase so that you can get involved and give random acts of kindness. Remember, I did a video this week. Don't forget about Hana. Hana was a woman that I met. I gave her a random act of kindness. God allowed me to see her again the next day when she revealed that she was on her way home to commit suicide before I gave her that random act of kindness. Hope, friends, saves lives. And hope comes in many packages. And one of them God has ordained for me to carry is soap. Handmade Soaps for Hope.org. The link is in the description. God bless you, my friends. Get involved. We're going to help you do it because we're going to send you that soap bars, or shall I say those 3 soap bars. God bless you, my friends. Till next time, God bless. See you over at handmadesoapsforhope.org.